Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Knowledge. Today we are talking about a business topic that sounds technical but is actually super interesting. Fixed assets. Stick with me to learn what they are and why they are important and how they power the business you see every day. Let's jump in. So, what is fixed asset? In a nutshell, it is something a business owns and use for a long time to make money. Think of it as the heavy duty gear a company rely on to keep things running smoothly. Fixed assets are tangible long term asset a business use for more than a year. We are talking about physical things like building, equipments or vehicles. These are not items a company plans to sell quickly, unlike inventory or cash, which are called current assets. So here is an example. Imagine you own a gym, your treadmill, weight machine, and even the building where people work out are fixed assets. So they are used day after day to help clients get fit. But the protein shake or towel you sell at the front desk, those are not fixed assets. They are used to up or sold quickly. So fixed assets have few characteristics. Tangible, you can touch them like dumbbell or a gym front desk. Long term, they are built to last over a year, sometimes decades. Third, depreciated. Most fixed assets lose value over time due to wear and tear, so their cost are spread out through something called depreciation. Land is an exception, it usually doesn't depreciate. Then capitalize. When a business buy a fixed asset, it's recorded as an asset on the balance sheet, not as an immediate expense. For instance, if your gym buys a 15,000 treadmill, you don't expense the whole 15,000 at once. Instead, you spread that cost over, say, 7 years through depreciation. Pretty nice, huh? Why it matters? Why should you care about fixed assets? They are big deal. Fixed assets are often a company biggest investments, and they show up on the balance sheet, which tells you how strong a business is financially. If you are an investor just curious, fixed assets reveal how a company uses its resource to grow. Plus, they impact taxes and profits. Depreciation reduce a company taxable income, saving them money, but outdated assets like old gym equipments might mean a business isn't keeping up with the times, which could hurt its success. So fixed assets are a window into how business operate. And there's fun fact, not everything is a fixed assets. The gym cash in the registrar or the water bottle they sell, those are current asset because they are used up or turned into cash quickly. And that's the lowdown on a fixed assets. They are the backbone of business, helping them invite over the long haul. If you enjoy this